Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us this morning for our webinar on gift cards. We are hoping that my colleague Kami is going to be able to join me this morning. But if not, excuse me while I juggle a few screens on my own. She has been caught up in training. But yeah, we didn't want to postpone getting started any longer. Wanted to welcome you all. Bit of housekeeping to get started. You're all on mute so that you can listen to what I've got to share with you today. We will be hosting a Q&A at the end and potentially take you off mute then so that you can share your questions. Anything that we don't have time to get through today, you can always reach out to us and we can give you a call separately as well. All right, so this is an amazing time of the year to prepare for the busiest months of the season or of the year. We all get so busy in November and December. And so these months, I guess from now to really the start of November is our time to prepare for that crazy period and try and prep for attracting extra revenue in the lead up to Christmas and guaranteeing that revenue that we can utilize in those quieter months of January. Shortcuts has two gift card systems, which you may or may not be aware of. So we have what we call online gift cards, and we also have physical gift cards. So you can have a design done and either have the gift cards printed via us or you can do them yourself. So we're going to be running through both those options today. Getting started, online gift cards is the simplest way to attract extra revenue without you having to do too much from your end. So online gift cards is so easy to set up. You've got a website already. If you don't, you can have a really, really simple one made up. You just fill out a form that Shortcuts will send to you. So you get in touch with us. We'll add it to the show notes of this webinar and distribute that to everybody in an email as well. So you'll fill out a form just to tell us how you'd like your gift cards to be set up online. We do all the heavy lifting by setting that all up in your system in the back end for you based on your selections. And then we email you back with a link. It's more than a link. It's a widget code. So it's a bit of code that needs to be embedded in your website. You'd give that to your web designer. They pop that code into your website. And if you're a multi-site, it's great because clients can use the gift cards at either of the locations. So you've got lots of options there. You can choose where you want the liability to sit. It's all pretty, customizable for you guys. If you're a single site, that's easy, straight out of the box. It's just going to live at, the liability will live with your salon and the clients are just going to use it at the one salon. So that's nice and easy. When the clients then go to your website, we'll show you what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to stop sharing for one moment. We will just change screens to this screen. Hopefully you can all see the screen here. This is a little mock website that we've made up just to show you what it could look like. So just to recap, online gift cards, you're going to fill out a form for us at Shortcuts. We do the heavy lifting and get the setup done behind the scenes. We flick you through some widget code, which you then get your web designer to embed on your website. That can come in two different ways. So it could be a little tab on the side, top or bottom of your website, and the online gift cards will come in from the side there. Or you might wish for it to pop out. And if you want to do that, you could have a gift cards page on your website. So that will open like this, and then they can click on a button and that will pop that out wherever your web designer makes it come, whether it's in the center, on the side. Clients can move that around, but they're not actually navigating away from your website either way. So what that would look like for your guests or your clients is they'd go to your website, you might do a promotion on gift cards or something to get them there, and they just simply choose how much they want, or they can enter a set amount. They'd put in their details and the recipient's details here, and they'd go through to confirm their payment details and pay now. So that'll just load up. So something that we would help you get set up is a Stripe account. We do use Stripe for our online payments. They're our integrated partner. So we'd help you get set up. If you're already using Stripe for online booking deposits with Shortcuts, you don't need to do anything else with that. It's just simply filling out the form to do the to get the gift cards set up. So the Stripe part you can bypass. But if you need any help, please do reach out. We're all here to help you. So just to recap on the two different options, we can pop it out and it slides in from the side, or you can have a page specially set up on your website under gift cards. That page will load and then the clients will click on there and they can fill it out from there. A question we do get asked all the time is, what if our client wants to buy a gift card for a friend, but their birthday isn't actually till the weekend? So they want to organize it now and have it emailed to them. That's easy. They'll just put their own email address in as the recipient. So that email with the gift voucher will automatically go to them, and then they'll just forward it to or print it out for their friend and give it to them on the weekend when it's their birthday. So super easy. That is it for online gift cards. So we can have you up and running with that in a matter of days. It's very quick from our end. It really just comes down to your web designer and how quickly they can put that code onto your website for you. All right. So what if a client wants to have or you guys want to give your clients physical gift cards? That's also possible. Two different ways we can achieve that for you. And again, now's the time to get ready, because if you do want to order the physical gift cards from us or from another provider, there is a few weeks that they take, obviously, to get designed up, processed and shipped to you. So if you want to have them sort of for October, November, and early December for your Christmas sales, please do get in touch with us and organise that ASAP, because we don't want you to miss out there with timing. So all you would need to do is reach out to us. We would get you to fill out the same before you begin flyer or form that's going to be linked in the email for you. That tells us how you'd like us to set up your gift cards program. It works off the same program as the online gift cards. So if you want to do both, you only need to sort of fill out that form once and we'll get both of them set up for you. So that's also very simple. Then you decide, do you want us to organize to print your gift cards and manufacture them and get them to you? Or would you like to organize that through a third party? If you want to organize that through a third party, that's fine. We will still provide you with the barcodes so that you can give in an Excel spreadsheet to whoever's going to make them. Because remember, each gift card has to have a unique barcode, because it has to know how much that was for and what the valid date and that was. We have had people make the mistake before of just making up their own barcode and giving that to a third party maker or manufacturer, and they just put the same barcode on everything. That's not going to work for you. So we'll provide you with the barcodes that come directly out of your program in shortcuts that are very unique just to your business. You can take those and have them manufactured wherever you would like, or on the shortcut shop, which is linked from our website, or we'll provide the link to you as well. You can come in and you can order the gift cards from us. So there's a few different options. If I just go to our shop, I'll show you through it a little bit in case you haven't seen it before. There's lots of things that we do here, like training and hardware. So we'll go to gift cards. There's a once-off production fee for us to get our designer to look at your branding and come up with something beautiful there for your gift cards. Or, you might have some ideas of something that you want as well, and you can give that to us, and then our designer will do that for you. 500 gift cards, 1,000 gift cards, and then the delivery there for you. The delivery fee will get added onto that as well for you. So that's if you want to have physical gift cards. Of course, we've already talked about online, or if you just want the barcodes from us and you're going to organize the production yourself, then yes, just reach out and we will absolutely send you through those barcodes, no problems. Just going to stop sharing just for one moment. I just want to pivot back to the online gift cards just to show you what that looks like for your clients. Just start sharing now. So everyone should be able to see my screen again. So this is just a bit of an example of the printed gift cards. And this is an example of what the email gift card looks like. I'll just go to my next slide. When your clients purchase a gift card online, this is the receipt that you will get. Oh, no, not you, sorry, not you. If I was the purchaser, this is the receipt that I would get to say, hey, Emma, you've just purchased a gift card from my salon. So that's great, that's there. And then the recipient, or the email that was put in the recipient's email, this is what they will get. So they're going to get a beautiful digital gift card. It'll have your business logo at the top. It'll have a lovely message. Then it's going to have all of this information here. This barcode is what you will scan at point of sale. And when we onboard you with online gift cards and physical gift cards, we actually do a little 30-minute training session with you with our compliments as well, just to show you how to redeem those vouchers in point of sale. But it's very, very easy. You just simply go to point of sale, you check out the client, and you choose the gift card option. That's where you'll scan this, or if you don't have a barcode scanner, that's okay too. You can just manually type in the number there. And if it was a physical gift card that you had printed, the exact same process would apply. So, two awesome things that you can implement very quickly there. As I said before, it really can't get much easier, but please do act on it now and in the coming months rather than waiting to December and wanting to say print cards, because one, you've missed out on that opportunity of being able to get all that revenue secured back in November when people really are starting to do their Christmas shopping ahead of time. And if you want physical gift cards, it may be too late to get them ordered and to you in time for those December sales. I will stop sharing now and we'll open up to questions. If anyone wanted to put questions in the chat, please do that and I'll answer them as best I can. If there's anything that I need to go away and get extra information for you, I can do that and give you a call separately as well. Anyone that doesn't have any questions, feel free to leave now. And yeah, we'll get the recording of this webinar out to you in an email. And we will also send you the link to the Getting Started form as the first point of call and a link to our shop in case you wanted to buy any of our printed physical gift cards. So thank you for joining us today. And I will just watch the chat and answer any questions for those who wish to hang around. Okay, we've just had a question. With the physical gift cards, how does the numbering system work? So because the numbering system needs to come from your shortcuts specific program, it's a big long barcode, and we do need to provide them to you because it's unique just to your business. As you can imagine, we have lots of clients in our community that we look after. So we can't have any two gift cards be exactly the same number. So we generate, you'd say to us, look, I'd like to have the physical gift cards manufactured myself. But I need the numbers. So we would go in, we would say, right, how many do you want? You want 500? Fantastic. We'll create the 500 numbers for you and send them to you in an Excel. Does that answer your question? You can just type a yes or no in the chat if you like, Mary. Excellent. Well, looks like that's all the questions that we have. What we will do is save our recording of the webinar. We'll get that through to you in an email with those links that I've mentioned. And then I'll include a link to book with our team, just in case you want to talk to an account manager just to work through anything as well. You can always do that. Happy to chat to you with any questions you may have and help you get started. And thank you so much for joining us today.